Okay, here I have a box of parts that was delivered to us from Germany, and this comes from Nuco Auto Line. These are transmission parts for the Mercedes 9G-Tronic. Now this arrived very quickly, within about 3 days of the actual payment. Payment was via PayPal, so it sure didn't take long. 3 days. So here we'll go ahead and open our box. All right, and here we go. Let's take a look at what we have. All right, here we have one of the seal or overhaul kits. This includes all of the rubber. Here is our Torlon sealing rings. Here are the seals for the pistons. Everything nicely packaged. Right, now this is actually what's popular here with Mercedes. This is actually a piece of aluminum that's actually coated with a sealing medium, and this is going to be actually my gasket going between the bell housing and the stator support here with the 9G-Tronic. I can't say the pump because that would apply to the older 722.9. Here the 9G-Tronic, the 725.0, the pump is actually chain driven. So we're going to be very careful with this. Plenty of packing material. Here I ordered 2 kits, so here's the second kit. Actually, I think I have 3 kits in here, by the way. Here's the third kit, so 3 kits. All right, let's take a look. These are the case vents. There's actually a little check ball in these. These can be used both with the 9G-Tronic and with the 7G-Tronic. This is a case plug here for the parking pole. This is actually an updated standpipe there in the pan, and this is supposed to be a mechanism to help regulate the fluid level there within the spinning section of the transmission, trying to keep that oil directed towards the pan. And here we have the packing material. So what do I have? I have 3 kits. 1, 2, and 3. And here I have the separator plate. There are actually 2 versions of this, and it's explained there on their website. You want to pay attention to which one you actually purchase. Make sure you're getting the right one.